Well, it must be Christmas time because I bought myself something. A new toy. No, it's not the truck. It is an accessory to this. No, it's not a large wooden box, although the large wooden box is important. Well, now that I've backed it up a couple feet, let's get it on the ground. I'm not sure if this is a one-man job or not. Severe damage may be possible. And I'm not talking about the box, I'm talking about my back. I just had to have it. Strongway 1,000-pound telescoping transmission jack from Northern Tool and Equipment. Comes in a pretty strong box. Unboxing went rather quickly. Actually, I would have to say it went amazingly fast. Oh wait, maybe I do need those. After retrieving the instructions, the assembly was pretty straightforward. Assemble the caster base, set it on the floor. You really can't tighten all of the bolts until you have all four wheels on a level surface. So my solution to this was to set the four casters on 4x4s so I could get enough room to swing a wrench underneath. Tighten the bottom bolts and then tighten the 3 bolts that hold the cylinder to the base. I managed to get it back off of the 4x4s, got all the bolts tight, and I can still count to 10. I really don't know how likely you would be to drag your finger across any of these edges, but they are a little sharp. Getting your camera to focus on that is a little bit difficult, but my concern would be rubbing your arm or something against that while you're taking something apart. Much better. After a few minutes with the file, I feel much better working around this thing. It's not so much the sharp points that I'm worried about as it is the little razor sharp burrs along the edge. You drag your hand across that. Knock the burrs off the corners of this. I found 2 little tiny razor sharp burrs sticking off the edge of that. And that's right near the handle. And you can imagine you drag the back of your hand across that, end up with a cut across the back of your hand. That'd be a lot of fun. But I mean, not too bad for, you know, the price of it and stuff like that. It was in really pretty good shape. Well, if this looks dangerous or stupid from where you're sitting, it feels a lot more dangerous standing there next to it. But anyway, I just had to load check it, and I didn't have anything that I was going to be changing real soon. I didn't want to put it under load, found out it leaked after the warranty had ran out. Actually, it's fairly well balanced on there. But lifts it up. Pedal release feels real good. It's easy to use. So it works. And it doesn't leak. After checking it out, I would have to say it seems to be pretty well built. It'll definitely do the job for what I need to do here. One thing I want to add to it, I want to weld some blocks against the heads of the bolts so that when you go to adjust these, you go to loosen them up, you won't need to have a wrench inside and outside to do the adjustment. Just have something that stops it from turning, and that way I'll still be able to, if the bolt gets tore up, threads or something, I'll still be able to pop it out and replace it. I'm gonna do the same with these adjusters right here too. And that should make it darn near perfect. And there it is, ready to go to work or play or whatever. As always, thanks for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I could always use some more subscribers. Hopefully this helps you pick out a new tool for your shop. Who put that there? I need to get the brake checked on this thing. Well, I did say it's a new toy for the shop.